Time for viewer mail. I got a weird one here. This is from LL Bean. So, I have no idea. Dave, I've never gotten viewer mail from LL Bean. I've never shopped at LL. Ooh, it's a multi-tool.
Batman's?
It's a multi-tool. I don't know. It might be. It's got my name on it. It might be Batman's multi-tool. Who's it from? I got a note, but there's no name on it. Is there? Ah, it's from Harvey. Thank you, sir. In Australia, in Mariba, Australia. This is from Harvey. It says, "Hi, Chris. Try the Leatherman Ninja. Try the Leatherman Ninja, yo. I'm interested in your opinion." Okay. This is the Leatherman OHT. I have... He's been messaging me about this for a while. Anything else in there? He's been threatening me with this. I will try it out. I'll even go so far as to put it in EDC for a while, maybe a month or so, and I will comment on it.
You gotta admit, after how long we've been pushing that Gerber, you'd think we'd have something out of them by now.
You'd think they'd be some manner of sponsor. I'm not pleased with Gerber. I've been carrying a Gerber model of some manner every day for 14 years now.
God,
14 years I've been carrying some manner of Gerber. Wow, that's... I like it. It's hefty, it feels good in the hand. I like the retraction. It's smoother than the Gerber.
Yeah, mine still isn't broken in.
Yeah, Gerber takes 2 months to get to that point. This, out of the box. Feels nice. It's got good needle nose, it's got a fine point. Replaceable blades. What else we got here? All the tools are on the outside. We got a knife, serrated knife. I like that it's got both. It's got that for like whittling and stuff, and that for cutting webbing. It looks like a webbing hook type thing. Escape tool. That's a regular saw. Oh, there's stuff up here too. Hang on.
Hey.
Yeah. A nice Phillips screwdriver with a thin thing for getting down into stuff. That's better than a Gerber. Can opener. Yeah, that's a can opener. A serious straight blade screwdriver with a good sturdy shank. Small straight blade screwdriver. This could be used as a bottle opener, but you'd have to be pretty slick with it because it's a can opener.
Right.
It's got the fine point. I am impressed. Let's check out the case. Molly style case. Nice tight fit. It's got a pocket down the front. I like that a lot. That's a good place to carry a couple extra emergency bucks. It's got a drain hole in the bottom. It's got a snap. Separate molly rigs. It's made of about 1,800 or so denier ballistic nylon, so it's a high denier ballistic nylon.
It ain't gonna rip off your hip.
Oh, it ain't gonna rip off your hip. It ain't gonna rattle. You're not gonna lose it on a motorcycle.
Because I think all of us have lost our Gerber at least once from faulty, yeah. I
wonder if it comes in black. All right, there's the Gerber. Checking it out, Harvey. We're in the thing. Oh, and there's a little book with it. Let's see if I missed anything important.
A thermal detonator.
Bloody hell. Oh, hey, I missed. No, oh, there's like 15 different tools on here. Which one is this? This is the OHT. Okay, I showed all that. Okay, the instructions are indecipherable. The EOD looks pretty sexy too. Huh. No shit. Huh, okay. That's gonna take some getting used to. Yeah, it's not in this model. Alright, there's stuff here for like 15 different models, but...
It's not a Gerber, is it?
No, it's a Leatherman OHT. What? What? Don't sit there with your smug look, you rat bastard. I'm checking it out. I am impressed. I'm giving it a trial run. I've carried it. I don't like the deployment. I may have to do some sewing or something on that. All right. Thank you, Harvey. I'll check this out. You guys have fun. We'll be back. Hi, dog.